Right guys, thanks for joining me. So today I'm back at Wolsey Bridge Nature Reserve. So today I'm hoping to get a bit of see some chiffchaffs. Is the main one really for me. I've noticed that they've come over all of a sudden. Obviously them summer migrants, so they've come over for the spring and the summer to nest, and yeah, there's loads of them about. Normally they're up in the canopy. Hopefully we can get some down today and hopefully get some decent shots of those, but I'm after wrens. There's quite a few pheasants around here as well. I've seen reed buntings, but they're very few and far between. But yeah, it's just a bit of a point and shoot, see how we go along. And I have actually got a different method of filming, so I'm hoping to give you a little bit of a different insight on how I'm taking images rather than just me in this format, just talking to you now. So see there, the attachment on top of the camera, so I'll talk about that in a second. First thing you'll probably notice is that I'm a little bit wet. Well, I might not look wet, but I am wet, and it's been a real strange day. So it's obviously sunny now, but it's just been pelting it down with rain, and yeah, so we've got to try and dodge that today, but hopefully it's just I think it'll just be short spells like it has been so far. And then yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, so the way I'm going to shoot today, I'm going to be using the Osmo, as well as to film myself like this. I'm going to be using the Osmo on top of the camera, so you can get a first person view of me shooting the images, or at least some of the images. So it'll be quite fun to do that today. It's going to be a little bit difficult for me to balance the two, but yeah, hopefully we get along all right, and it'll give you a different perspective to how I shoot the videos and how I get the pictures, kind of thing, which we all know how, but it's just nice to see it, isn't it? So yeah, hopefully we can show you a bit of that today. Just had a nice interaction with a robin actually. Let me get real close, as they normally do, to be fair, and I always like to stick a bit of robin footage or photos in the video, because I know it's my grandma's favourite bird, so I shall enjoy that one. The Nottach really loves this side here. There's a bit of a seed been put down on the very end, and he keeps coming down onto this tree here. Makes it very easy to get some good pictures of him, to be fair. So he's been quite obliging, so hopefully some decent images. And also this Chiffchaff is in the same sort of area. You can hear him now, but he's right next to this area with the Nottach, so it makes it quite useful. So when the Chiffchaff's not here, I can go for the Nottach, but if the Nottach isn't there, I can go for the Chiffchaff. So yeah. Where is it? Lost him. So the weather just keeps playing up today really. It's hailing now, so I don't think I've ever been out taking photos when it's hailing, but a minute ago it was sunny. Hasn't stopped the birds from singing though. The geese are still going mental, and yeah, it's grey as anything now, but it was sunny a minute ago. I mean, I'm under dense trees and I'm still getting absolutely piled on, bouncing everywhere. Oh my god. So I've just been under these dark pines next to the river, as you can probably hear, and there was a really lovely male pheasant, some great colours on him, really pale on the back. So I took a little bit of video footage just because it was that, obviously a pheasant's a common bird, but it just looked in absolutely great shape. Obviously it's the time of year they're finding mates and things like that, so they are looking their best, aren't they? So yeah, I'll show you that now. So I feel like today has mainly really been Chiffchaff and Nottach. I've got probably the best images today from, and I need some good framing as well, so hopefully they'll come out good once I've got them on the laptop and edited them and put them in this video for you. But yeah, it's been quite a good day really. It's been wet and sunny and haily, but you know, we can't have it all in the spring, can we? Especially in Britain. We know it's gonna we're gonna have to attend to the weather. So so yeah, thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. But also I do want to say I have got some other forms of imagery that I'm going to bring to you. So obviously today I've brought you the first person views of me shooting the images, but eventually in the next few videos hopefully we're going to see a different element, an aerial element hopefully coming into it. So it's just going to mean more work for me for the videos, but it's going to make the videos better, I feel, so, and bring that standard up a little bit. So it's about improving the channel for me as well. So if I can do that each video, then happy days. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.